जीतेंगे, करेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे, कोरबोलोड़
लड़ेंगे और जीतेंगे।
तो गाइस बारिश अभी रुक गए, इसका खुशी में हम फ्री में लोगों को लिखेंगे हम ही के कौन।
Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. This is Mohor Chaudhary, and at this point in time, I'm standing just outside of the Eden Garden Stadium here in Kolkata. As we all know, the KKR versus Mumbai game just ended right now, and of course, KKR have once again emerged victorious, and they have defeated the 5-time champions right here in the City of Joy at their home ground. And of course, the game was fantastic. It was dominated, I would say, by KKR in certain levels, but you know what really stood out for me at the end of the day was the love and support that the KKR fans still show for their favorite franchise, no matter what. Despite the position in the points table, despite the condition that the team is in at this point in time, no matter what, fans still show up and show the same level of excitement and anticipation for the game. They still have that slight tinge of hope in their hearts that maybe this year they can make that massive comeback, and maybe they can stay alive in the playoffs race, and maybe they can secure that number 4 spot, which is still very much open. Well, of course, at the start of the day when I came in, there were not many people out here, and I did not expect a big turnout at all. But then what happened was really fascinating, because as and when the game progressed, we saw almost all the stands and almost the entire gallery was packed, and that gives off a very, very good message that no matter what, KKR fans still show up, and that's the kind of love, respect and admiration that they still hold for their favorite franchise. Of course, before the match begins, we were able to talk to a few fans, and of course these are some of the visuals that you can see. They come in, they paint their bodies with they paint the names of the favorite cricketers and their favorite players that have been a part of this franchise or are a part of this franchise at this point of time. And of course they also wear these specific outfits which match the vibe of the stadium, and of course they look forward to the game no matter what. And even while the game was on, and of course it was somehow swinging in KKR's favor, at that point of time we could see that the entire stadium, and despite it being a rain, it was a stop-start game, and of course there was a lot of confusion regarding the time, and of course it got pushed, obviously the ending got pushed beyond the scheduled time. But despite that, what we saw was fascinating, that most of the people at the stadium, they stayed back and they chanted that Kor Bolo Bojit Bore, and they kept waving that golden and purple flag no matter what. Of course, these fans have been with this, have stood beside this franchise for as long as they can remember, and that's what all of them say, that no matter the position, no matter the condition of that the franchisee is in or will be in future, they will still keep supporting, and they will still keep loving this one particular franchise no matter what, and that will never stop. That's the kind of vibe, that's the kind of electrifying energy that they still bring to the stadium, and that's the kind of hope that they still hold. They still think that their team might just make it, and they are still here to support. And even if they don't make it, when asked, they said that they would keep supporting the team no matter what. And of course, we could see the chants, the cheers, the screams, the shouts, the slogans. None of that stopped. That's what reflects the love for KKR. That's what reflects the love that the City of Joy hold for Kolkata Knight Riders. As of now, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do drop your comments down below, and do not forget to keep supporting us this way. KKR!